It's here. All right, so here she is, all 10 pounds of her. Let's open her up. Everything you can buy. Propellers. Charger. Controller. Battery? Yeah, battery. So that wasn't a charger, that's a battery. Beacon. I think that's the charger. I give you the Skydio 2. It's a nice little case here. Very nice letter. So let's see what we got here. Well, first off, we got the controller, charger. So this is the battery. And this must be a charger. Yep, this is the dual charger. We got an extra set of props. Hopefully we never have to use those. And of course, beacon. So we got everything pretty much you could possibly buy to try out. Woo. So what should we open first? Well, I guess we'll get right into I mean, this is nice. It's good packaging. It's got a UPC on it. Wow. She's a beaut. She looks really good. I tell you right off the bat, I'm worried about these things because they are exposed all the time. So I want to maybe make some covers for those, just so when it's put away or not in use. I'm excited, guys! So now I gotta go charge this thing with the dual charger. Well, actually, I could probably use the dual charger to charge one battery and the Skydio to charge the other battery because I've got two chargers here. We do got an extra set of props. I mean, it's a nice little package, guys. I'm super excited. There's the battery. And then this is another spot for a second battery, so that's perfect. So when I'm on the go, I don't have to worry. I've got everything ready, set, go. So what else do we want to look at, guys? Let's take a look at these. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? This is a battery. We don't really need to see that. We already got into it. So let's check out the dual charger. So here's the dual charger. It's good looking. It's a decent piece of plastic. Wow, I have to say the packaging is really nice. Yeah, that's cool. Look at that. And here's the beacon, boys and girls. Got a getting started. The beacon itself, it's a nice weight, good weight. Got a little hand thing for it. Like you can put a lanyard on it. Does it come with one? No, it doesn't look like it came with a lanyard. But getting started, the controller itself. And we do have some stuff underneath here. Charging cables, or not charging, connection cables for your respective device, iOS or Android. Very good. Got some getting started for the propellers. Got ultimately there's only one problem I've found so far with the whole Skydio 2 thing, and that's waiting. Waiting sucks. And even when you get your, hey, it's ready to ship, it's gonna be some more waiting. So yeah, we got controller, dual charger. This is the 65 watt charger. We bought that extra as well as the charger that comes with the Skydio 2. We got the Skydio 2 here. We're gonna try out these bad boys. It's not great weather out today, so probably not gonna get to try these out. It's pretty nasty out. So first things first, we're gonna get to charging. So stand by. It's the controller. It's got a nice weight to it. Feels like an Xbox One controller. Yeah, first things first, let's put one of these on a charger. But that's gonna be it for now, guys. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing more Skydio videos. We're gonna be doing Mavic Mini videos. We're gonna be doing a comparison with the Mavic Mini, the Skydio, the Mavic 2 Pro, and then when we get the Evo 2 from Autel Robotics, we'll be comparing that as well. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you next time.